The first thing I did was just grab my food cans, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel it off. And here, make sure to do it very carefully so you don't break it, because this is the part that you're going to use. Then go ahead and grab your paper, and I'm going to go ahead and mark it down to the same size so I can know where do I need to be cutting it out. Then go ahead and take your cutting board, and then just go ahead and place it there and cut that size. And then you're going to go ahead and continue and cut the other side as well until you cut the whole thing the same size of the can. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and just put around it and attach it to it like that. Then you're gonna need some tissue paper, so then just cut it to however the length of the can that you would like it to be, and then put your cellophane paper and cut it as well. First, you're gonna place the clear one and then the other one, and then put the top on top, and then just gonna go ahead and pull it up just like. Then go ahead and take a string, and you're just going to go ahead and tie it like that. Very good. Just going to go ahead and tie it again, and then just go ahead and take a scissor and cut it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a scissor again, and I'm just going to cut the top and make sure to trim it down very good. It could look nice, just like that. Then go ahead and put a bow or whatever you have at the top. Then I took these stickers, these glue dots, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it all around just to make it cute and simple. Then go ahead and grab whatever theme you're doing and just take your hot glue and attach it to the middle. And here you could put whatever theme you're doing or whatever color you're doing. This is just an idea so you know what to do and how to do it. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue putting my glue dot all around it. And I'm going to go ahead and take the candy, but make sure to do this part before you do all the decorations, and then wash it and put your candy inside. And it came out super cute. Then I went ahead and grabbed this rhinestone, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it at the bottom. Just take your hot glue and start attaching them all around just like that. And this is how cute it turns out. For the next DIY, we're just going to go ahead and grab the can. I'm just going to go ahead and place it on the top here all around it to give it that extra cute look, just like that. Instead of putting the bow, it's your choice. You can also put the bow. Then I'm going to put the crown on the top and do the same step I did for the other one. And this is, guys, is super cute, simple to do. Anyone's can do it. I hope you guys like it, and you could do any theme decorations. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.